Hi, this is just a little video on the uses of this cool app I found for my anatomy class. It's called BioDigital Human. It's free. And on your human page, you can pretty much pick what kind of things you want to go over. You can always add more, and you can search for different things. I did a unit on the skull, so I searched for skull, and there were a whole bunch of different things that I could download. So once you get them, you go to your human, and I'm going to press this skull and it loads. And the cool thing is, this is going to give you a 3D version of the skull. Okay, so you can actually take this and rotate it any which way you want. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, okay? And the cool thing is that you can touch the different structures. This would be great for students to learn. You can't see the top of it. There. So up here, it's going to tell you what bone or what structure you're on. So that's really neat. The other thing that you can do with this is once you pick a structure, you can get more information about it. So you can get information. You can look at different views, and you can actually isolate the bone that, or the structure, bones for this sense, and then you can look at just that bone in particular. And you can even rotate just that bone so you can see inside, like what that shape of that bone is. Okay, and then you can go back. Okay, another thing feature of this app is that you can go to dissection mode, and when you hit dissect, you can actually touch pieces and they go away. Okay, so you can actually look inside of an object, like looking inside the skull. This is really cool for my students to see, and I was able to then show them things that I could not show them on the model specimens that we had in class. Another thing that you can do, you can reset, you can actually take this, and on any of these, you can hit the draw, and it allows you to make notes on the picture. Like, it's a still image, you can't move this around, but then you can send this out. Students can make flashcards. I could do some sort of quizzing with that, and I could send that to any other application that I wanted. And I don't know, something that I came along, and I thought it was a great way to learn and a great way for students to be able to have something that they could use at home, because they can't always take our models home. And for some instances, this is even better than the model with some of the functionality that it has. And the cool thing is that it was free. I am going to end up doing some work with muscles, so I'm really interested, and I'm going to be looking more into some of the muscle features for future lessons that I have. And so again, this is the BioDigital Human app. Thanks.